I'm Jardiel Nogueira. I'm from UNICEF country office of Brazil, and I work in the education area there as a program officer for Giga. So, especially after the pandemics, it became quite evident that for children and adolescents to access their rights, connectivity would be key to deliver those rights. So ever since after the pandemic, it became really a strategic and important point for the UNICEF country office of Brazil to get more involved and closely following the discussion in Brazil and internationally. So that's why it's so important for us to be closer to these topics and these conversations. Brazil as a whole, as a country, as a society, it has advanced a lot in the discussion of internet access and connectivity for schools, especially in the previous years. So we have advanced in developing a universal service fund with specific obligations connected to delivering school connectivity. We also had a 5G auction which separate parts of the resources for school connectivity investments. So the topic has been worked on in Brazil in different layers, in the government, in the society. So we have seen some improvements and some advancements on the topic in the recent years. And we're very close to closing the digital gap in terms of school connectivity and universalization of access, hopefully in the next few years. I think it's important to highlight that we're in this very important moment when we have a set of policies settled, and we have good discussion in third sector, in even in companies, on the importance of getting school connected. We're quite close to reaching universalization, and we are right now in that part of the curve that we connected the easiest to reach schools, and now we're getting to the point of connecting the most remote ones, the most challenging ones. So this requires an extra effort and looking very closely to the implementation of these resources and the importance of also getting these resources and the schools connected and transforming that, translating that into actions in digital education, improving learning outcomes. So we're in this very important moment of getting there in the objective of universalization, and how we move also, we look into the topic of getting the technology used for improving learning outcomes in Brazil.